Hindi. Iba yun. Hello guys, so today, as in napatagal ko yung part 3 ng paglaro ng Watermelon Tower. Pero ngayon, tutuloy na natin. So, go lang. Wala yung pakpak ko, laki-laki kasi. Pero okay lang yan. Pinili ngayon ni Trixie ni Scarlett. Sa mga ibang taong di kilala ni Scarlett, guys, please just call her Trixie. Ha? Apa. Two-piece skin. Okay. Parang cream.
Gel.
Yes.
Ulit niya kaya.
So, let's do this, guys. It's kind of easy, kind of hard, but that's fine, bro. Kasi may checkpoint siya, guys. Minsan, sobrang unique. Kasi yung pakpak ni auntie. Ay, namamatay na ako. Okay, ito na naman, guys. Laki-laki ng pakpak ko. Ay, patay na.
Bono.
Naku.
Yakin na.
Naku. Naku, nahulog.
Lang. Sila.
Guys, this is so hard. Don't put wings. Bro, didn't dance.
Chicken dance. Jinx na kumodis.
Okay, wait. No way. No way in hell.
Yan. Again, magpunta sa
Oh. That was... Oh. Tite.
chicken.
Anyway, guys, do you like the new outfit? Trixie made it. Scarlett made it. One, two, three, let's go. No. So we're B101 na yung stage ko. Sa 100 na. Uy, wag. Feeling ko hanggang 300 checkpoint na ito. But it's not tiring. It's cool. Ito na yung medyo mahirap, guys. Sobrang papayat nila. Ay! You know that feeling when you sleep, tapos bigla kayong may
Dapat.
panaginip na nakakatakot.
Dapat.
Yung parang mahuhulog na kayo sa building, tapos bigla kang magigising, like nanginig. Wow, nanginig.
Dapat.
Magkaiba mo. Yan na, guys, galit na mga ate ni Kion. Kagaya ko kasi ingay.
Boy.
So fast, guys. As you see, 126 na kaagad tayo. ilaw ko. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Ikaw, sayang, sayang, laging ikaw. Di bitaw, sayang, sayang, mukhang lalabaw. Dito ka lang sa tabi ko.
You're looking at me like I know what to do, but all I can say is I wish it for you, for all of the hurt and the love and the pain,
Uy,
and the
gusto niyo
dreams
na.
that you had, and the things that you gave, and the nights that you cried, and the days that you tried, and the feelings you had.
Mingle. Kagano'n ito po guys. Malamang di kayo bingis.
I hope for you, may it be true. May it be true.
Tunggi, tunggi. Tunggi, tunggi. Mingga, mingga.
May it be true. It's Women's Day,
Laro tayo. One.
so
Sino
I
kaya?
have to say, I hope it all works out in every way. For the women that I love and the women that I hate, I want to say, may it be true. May it be true.
Hindi ka natataba. Hindi ka natataba.
May it be true.
Ay, gusto ko yan. Yung ayan, oh.
May it be true.
Ano ba yan? Sinabi si mama. Favorite ko yan.
For the people
Oh,
you
ang
love
panggam
and
ng
the
star.
people
Gusto
you
ko
hate,
yun.
and the times that you
Oh,
laugh,
shiba.
and the times that you wait for your turn.
Yung owner ang bait, guys. Wait, bakit tayo bumabalik? Binaril ba rin niya siya? This is literally impossible. Impossible. Ayun, napanoodin nyo. Wait lang. Ipapatingin na. Tika dito ba yung legit na itong babae niya? Panood ko na yun. Ilang beses na. Ako rin. Tumalon. The wings is so annoying. Oh my gosh. The wings is like this one, bro. Mommy! Mommy! I think it's enough for today, guys. You can watch the part 4.